Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 5x8 500-gallon smoker. At the front we do have our jack coupler and safety chains. There is a spare tire as well as a spare tire mount at the front of your smoker. Behind your spare tire is a 5-foot or 60-inch basket. There is a 500-gallon smoker barrel measuring 83 inches. We do have a 61-inch work surface as well as Tandem 3,500-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. There are 4 doors, 2 on each side of your smoker with heat-resistant handles and temperature gauges. You have work surfaces on either side as well. There are 4 trays in total, which you can pull out from each side of your smoker. Our top trays measure 37 inches across. Our bottom trays measure 41 inches across. Our warming box also has a temperature gauge with your top warming box with 2 trays. The top tray measuring 24 inches and the bottom tray measuring 23 inches. We do have our wood box as well. Our entire warming box measures 24 by 41 by 37. Our bottom tray is 32 inches long. We do have a smoke outlet at the top of the smoker. There are 4 6-inch smoke outlets on your warming box, 2 on each side at the top and bottom. Your access doors to your warming box are 36 inches long. On this side, as you can see, we do have the dual-sided work surface as well as your 2 doors and trays. The smoker also has our diamond plate fenders. There are LED brake lights. Once again, this is a 500-gallon 5x8 smoker with a front basket and dual sides. If you are interested in this smoker or any other smoker we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.